If you want to create text shortcuts on iPhone 17, then all you have to do is we need to go to settings. Now, in settings, you should be able to find general. Let's go to general, then choose keyboard. There we go. And then we have text replacement, which can be used as a form of, creating shortcuts. We can press this plus button in the upper right corner. You can enter the phrase that you wish to be replaced with a shorter version. So let's say I can write something like laughing out loud. You can also use it to, for example, enter your email address, your phone number, anything that might be useful. And then in shortcut, we want to write the word, the phrase that should be used as a trigger to replace it with the whole phrase. So I'm just gonna type LOL over here and let's save. Now, if we go to anywhere where we have our keyboard, if I just type whatever I added right now, so if I type LOL, then after that it will be converted into the full phrase. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.